Hi, I'm Jennifer Woodard. I'm glad you've joined me today to do some art, and I love to help kids read and do art. So today I'm recommending to you these fun books, The Biggest Snowman Ever and How to Catch a Snowman. It is so fun to make snowmen, both in the snow and with art. So today we're going to make this fun snowman pop-up card using just a few simple supplies. So what you'll need is 2 pieces of construction paper, and it can be any colors. I'm choosing a couple shades of blue, and then a half of a sheet of white paper, any kind of white paper that you've got around, some glue and scissors, and some markers and crayons. And one more thing, a piece of bubble wrap. I've just got an Amazon package here. It could be clear bubble wrap, blue bubble wrap, gray bubble wrap, doesn't matter, just some bubble wrap. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is decide which one is gonna be the part that is the inside that pops up. And I'm deciding that it's gonna be this one. And I don't want the edges to be too big, so I'm gonna fold it in half like a hamburger. I call this folding in half like a hamburger. And then I'm just gonna cut the edges. And it's okay if it's not perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just gonna cut that edge a little bit, and then cut this edge a little bit, just like that. All right. Now it will fit inside this other one just great. So this is my inside paper. Now to make the pop-up, we have to put our finger right in the middle of the fold, right there. And I'm gonna put a little dot right in the middle. And what I wanna do is cut 2 slits just about a finger away from the dot, just like that. So I'm gonna go cut, cut. That's it. Now I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to pop out that little slit. So now I've got a notch on one side that's not going to show, and a little tab on this side that's going to be covered up with our snowman. Okay, so we pop that out. Just making sure that I didn't quite fold it all the way. There we go. Okay, now I've got a little pop-up. Now I'm gonna take a piece of bubble wrap and just cut yourself off a piece that is easier to work with than that giant bag or whatever you have. And I'm gonna cut out a bumpy kind of hill. And it doesn't have to be perfectly smooth. I'm gonna have kind of one edge is gonna be straight, and the other edge is going to be a curve. And that is going to glue right on this little tab right here. So I'm gonna take my glue, put the glue on the bottom half of the tab, and place my bubble wrap right there. You might stick your thumbs through and pinch it. Make sure your card can fold. Okay, there's the bubble wrap. It's gonna sit there and chill for a minute while it glues, while it dries. All right, so now from your half paper, you're gonna cut a snowman. And our little snowman needs to fit on top of this. So this is even too big. I'm gonna fold it again in a quarter sheet, and that, I have to make sure it fits in the card. See, it's too big. So you kind of have to measure. But I'm gonna leave it like that. And I'm gonna draw a snowman. And a snowman has a circle head and a circle middle. I'm making it bumpy, notice. I'm not making it perfect. And a circle for the bottom part. And you can decorate it however you want to. Just remember, we're cutting this out. So if you make arms, you're probably just gonna cut around them in a big way and not worry about them cutting super close around them. I'm gonna make some mittens, but I'm not gonna cut around them perfectly. And the hat. My markers are getting dry. And then we're going to cut this out. Okay, now we're ready to position our snowman behind our bubble wrap and glue. So what I want to do is just glue it to the back of the bubble wrap. So here's the bubble wrap. I'm going to put a little dot of glue, a little bit of glue right there, and then position it. Oops, I put it on the wrong side. Put it on the front, position it right there. All right. Notice I didn't cut completely around the mittens. I just left a little edge because it's hard to cut around the mittens, and that's totally fine. If you have white crayons or a white marker, you can add some snow falling back here. I have a white marker, so I'm gonna add some snow falling. I'm gonna let this dry now. Set it aside. And now I'm gonna get my other colored paper. Fold it in half like a hamburger also. Okay, when I've got my other paper folded in half, I decide which way it opens, and mine's gonna open like this. So this is the top, and this is the bottom, and I'm gonna decorate this. If you want to, you could decorate by cutting another snowman out and gluing it on, or you could just draw a snowy scene. I've got this marker here. You could also use crayons. You could write something on the front. Since it's a card, you could say, "Hi, I've been missing you," or "Hope you're having a good winter," or whatever you want to say. When you're done decorating it, now it's time to glue it together. So you're going to position it again, making sure it opens correctly. So here's my front. It's going to open like that and pop up. So I'm going to take this one at a time, and I'm going to put glue here and just glue it right into the middle. Well, there's our beautiful pop-up card. I hope you send it to someone you love. And if you had fun creating art with me, I've got a 5-day free art challenge that you can do this creation art with me, and it'll be super fun. So click the link in the description, and I'll see you next time at Story Glory.